Hello, hello, hello guys! Nandito po tayo para batiin natin ng happy birthday si Idol Matancero. Idol Mata, happy birthday. Thank you so much for always support to my channel at sa iba pang mga channel. You are very supportive friend and salamat sa mga ayuda mo na banana sa akin at kay Superman. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, Matancero. I wish you all the best at happy birthday ulit. God bless. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday. Ano na yun? Ingat ka lagi. Huwag ka sana magbabago. Happy birthday ulit.
Ayan, binabati ko pong lahat na nandito sa premiere. Ay, kay Sis Jing, ayan, shout out po sa lahat. Gusto kong batiin ng kanyang karawan, Ludi Matancero, Matancero TV, Ludi, ayan, happy birthday, ayan, more blessings sa pamilya mo, ayan, good health, ayan, binabati ka po namin mula sa aming pamilyang Sablaon family, kay CBS Mates, at sa Visual Siblings, ayan, mabuhay ka kung gusto, hanggang kailan gusto mo, ayan, thank you guys, ayan, thank you so much sa lahat, ayan, salamat.
Happy birthday, Kuya Butcher, from Life of the Forever Youngs. We are in the Philippines vacationing, but we wanted to say happy birthday, my brother.
Happy birthday
to you. Copyright.
Hello, sorry. Ninong Butcher, salamat po. Maligayang karawan. Asan yung pata ko? I'm still waiting for my pork leg to make a crispy pata. Waiting na. Dito pa kami sa Dinagat Island. Di pa kami nakauwi. 1 week na kami dito. Ninong Butcher. But then, we just wanted to say
happy birthday, brother.
From the Mabuhay Fambam. We love you, Ninong Butcher. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Later, homie.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's go! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is the day that you feel yourself very happy and overwhelmed. Magpasalamat sa Panginoon dahil binigyan ng pagkakataon. This is the day, this is the time. Happy for your special day. Happy birthday to you. I hope you will be happy. Kaya chill ka lang, cool ka lang. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong karawan na puno ng saya. Enjoy your day kasama ang pamilya sa pagkainan. This is the day that the Lord has made. Happy birthday to you. Please blow your cake. We love us one and no more hate. Everybody come on, let's celebrate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday, Boss M. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. God bless!